Alright, back up.
The
We're
hurricane.
about to go into a hurricane simulation.
Jackass rocks. Rest in peace, Ryan Dunn. $2.
R.I.P. Ryan Dunn. Yeah, back up, back up.
If you're scared, just get out. You're so cool for doing this.
Come in, it's real refreshing. Like, if you're sweaty, it's gonna dry you up. Get in, here. I'll record you. Try not to freak out though.